Hi guys, it's me Haley Marie and welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a makeup tutorial on this look, which is my everyday makeup look. If you guys follow me on Instagram. If you're not, why aren't you following me on Instagram? You should totally do so. It is at itsmehaleymarie. If you guys follow me on Instagram, then you see this look pretty much in all my pictures. Anytime I do normal selfies or an outfit photo, this is the makeup look that I'm wearing, unless I'm doing like something artistic for YouTube. If you guys want to find out how I do my makeup like this every day, then keep on watching. For my brows, I like to start off by using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in dark brown. And I'm going to apply that with this Morphe R44 brush. Now I'm just outlining my brows with the NYX Full Coverage Concealer in Porcelain. You guys know my absolute favorite primer is the Hangover RX primer by Too Faced, and I recently bought the Duo. The light's kind of like blurring it, but it's the primer spray slash setting spray slash refresh spray with the primer itself. For foundation, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. This is in the color Golden Beige. I love using this foundation. This is a really great dupe for the Born This Way foundation. The Revlon Color Stay in Golden Beige. I really like this quite a bit. The coverage is great. Mine is for combination slash oily skin. And I'm just gonna apply this. For concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in Neutralizer. And for cream contour, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Toast. To blend out my contour, I'm going to use this Morphe brush. It doesn't have a number, but it looks like this. And to blend out my nose contour, I like using the Morphe R9 brush. To set my under eyes, I'm using the Revolution Beauty Banana Powder. When I don't have a tan, I typically use the Coty's Airspun because it just works better with paler skin. So now I'm going to let that set and bake, and I'll be right back in a little. Now I'm going to brush off the setting powder with the Morphe R3 brush. To set my contour, I'm using the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Kit. And I'm going to be using the middle shade on my forehead and then the lightest shade on the rest of my face. And I'm using the Morphe R2 brush. For my nose, I'm using this NARS brush, and I'm using that gray shade. To prime my eyelids, I love using that NYX concealer that I use to carve out my brows. So I'm going to use that same Morphe brush that doesn't have a name, and I'm going to use that on my eyelids. I almost forgot blush. I'm using the Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in Pearlescent Pink. You guys know I love the Wet n Wild products, and honestly this one's just so amazing. I tend to use it every single day. And I'm going to apply that with the Morphe R4 brush. Now for highlight, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and my absolute favorite color, in case you couldn't tell already, is Summer, which is this gorgeous shade right here. I'm going to use the Morphe R36 brush. And to make my highlights stand out a little bit more in certain areas, I'm using the Morphe R37 brush. So guys, for eyeshadow, I'm using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I love this palette, you guys. It has become my everyday palette, and I actually went to Morphe looking for a specific eyeshadow palette, and I ended up getting this one instead. I swatched every single Morphe palette, and this was my favorite one that they had to offer. So I've never really watched a Jaclyn Hill makeup tutorial, but I must say that her palette is absolutely stunning. 10 out of 10, recommend it. Look how many gorgeous shades. You can do so many fun looks with this, and these shades really complement my brown eyes. And I love the warm shades. They're perfect for fall, which is what I wanted, was like a fall type of palette. If you wanted something smaller, the Too Faced Natural Eye Palette is another favorite of mine. That is a great everyday palette that has like all the same shades as this. My only critique of this palette is that I wish that her little thank you to her subscribers, which is really sweet, don't get me wrong, I wish it was on the back side of the palette or something, just because the fact that this was such a great opportunity for a massive mirror right here. The first shade I'm going to start off with is the color right here, which is Silk Cream. Next, I'll be using the shade right here, which is called Butter. Now with this shade right here, it's called Mocha. I'm going to go in with my R41 Morphe brush, and I'm going to apply that to my outer corner. I'm going to take that other Physicians Formula brush that I was using and blend all this out. I'm darkening mine just a little bit more. Now I'm going to take this MAC brush. I don't know the number of it, it came off, but it's just a flat brush, and I'm going to use this beautiful pearlescent pink color right here, which is called Faint, and I'm going to apply that on the center of my eyelid. And now with the Morphe R47 brush, I'm going to go in with the color Beam, which is this stunning pearlescent white shade right here. Now I'm going to go in with the first shade we used, which is called Silk Cream, and I'm going to use this Morphe R43 brush. I'm going to apply this to my bottom lash line. If you guys watched my last tutorial, you know that I tried out an eyeliner, and I actually really liked it. I liked it so much, I used it in combination with my absolute all-time favorite eyeliner. So my all-time favorite is the Physicians Formula eyeliner. If you could only get one, I'd probably recommend this one. This one is waterproof. This one is not water resistant, but if you have watery eyes, I would not recommend it, but it works great on the outer wing, and it actually stays in place really well. I've used a lot of eyeliners that bleed, especially like throughout the day, but this one does stay. This is the L'Oreal Super Slim Liquid Eyeliner, and it's supposed to be 12-hour wear. These both work great in combination. They're both drugstore, and I highly recommend them both. So I like to start off with this one, and I use that right here in the inner corner of my eye. Then to make the outline of the actual wing, I love using this liner. Now I'm going to fill my eyeliner in the rest of the way with the Physicians Formula eyeliner. For lashes, my favorite everyday lash is the Kiss number 11 lashes, which I have a pair in my hand right here with eyeliner on my finger, really cute. And I'm going to apply those now with the Ardell Lash Glue. So guys, lashes are on and they are drying. So while they're drying, I'm gonna go ahead and put on a lipstick. My absolute favorite lipstick that I've been using nonstop is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lip in Stripped, and this has been my everyday lip color for a while now. Now I'm gonna curl out my lashes with this lash curler from like Forever 21. For mascara, I'm using my current favorite, which is the Falsies Push Up Angel Mascara by Maybelline. So I'm going to apply that to my top and my bottom lashes. I'm just blending my lashes together right now. I don't use a lot of mascara when I do this. Well guys, that is my everyday makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. I love you guys so much and I will see you next time. Bye!